Hi, I'm Cam, and I'm an environmental science student at UMass Amherst.
Hi, my name is Chi, majoring in chemical engineering, senior at UMass Amherst.
Hi, my name's Kyle. I'm an animal science major here at UMass Amherst.
Hi, I'm Tristan. I'm majoring in legal studies and I'm a senior.
Hi, I'm Andrea and I'm a bio major at UMass Amherst, and we're picking up trash today.
We're Team 13, the Kangaroo Paws, and we focused our volunteer work on cleaning up the Connecticut River Greenway State Park and the Norwottuck Rail Trail. This volunteer work was done near the Connecticut River in Northampton, Mass, and extended into Hadley, Mass. We'd like to start off by acknowledging that the work that we do is on the unceded homelands of the Pocumtuck Nation, specifically on the land of the Norwottuck community. The volunteer work we participated in was done with the respect of these lands in mind, with our aim being to clean these lands and prevent further pollution in the Connecticut River. The Connecticut River is the longest river in New England, flowing from the Canadian border to the Long Island Sound. Once called the world's most beautifully landscaped cesspool, conservation and pollution control efforts have cleaned up the Connecticut River. Today, the river provides drinking water and space for recreational activities like boating and fishing, along with habitats for many species of animals. However, it is still important to continue these cleaning efforts. Litter is destructive to the environment as it can choke out plant life, and animals face accidental ingestion or entanglement. Litter also poses health and safety risks to the community as it is a breeding ground for bacteria and disease, along with attracting pests. Furthermore, litter takes a long time to break down. Plastic waste can take anywhere from 20 to 500 years to decompose, which can be 7 times the average human lifespan. Also, plastic never truly breaks down, instead turning into harmful microplastics. The goal of our project was to help limit the amount of pollutants that make their way into the Connecticut River. Our volunteer work focused on cleaning up litter in an act of civic engagement. Civic engagement means working to improve the quality of life in a community, and this volunteer project showed how not only actively contributing to what you believe in can make a difference, but that it can also be fun. Volunteering was honestly a great experience. We may have gotten dirty and we were tired at the end, but knowing that the river will be a bit cleaner, the area a little safer, and the wildlife a little less threatened made it worth it for us. We found environmental leadership to be important as it helps inspire and lead others to take action, whether that's through supporting movements, raising awareness of environmental issues, or taking actions themselves as leaders. Our goal in doing this work was to emphasize the positive impacts that individuals can have on the environment. Extending this globally, it will take the efforts of people from all corners of the earth to reduce pollution both on land and in the water. If every person can commit to picking up just a few pieces of trash, we can help maintain the beauty and health of our planet.